all you diesel douchebags! Cummins Kyle here. We got a blizzard going on. As you can see, shit's getting for real, for real. Alright. So, we're gonna start it up. It's not that cold. It's like 30 with a wind chill of 10. Mid-March, New Jersey. So we're gonna start it up. I'm gonna finish shoveling there with Squeaky Neeks, and then we're going to work doing some shoveling. It's plugged into you. Right up, son. Alright, so I'm gonna let the old girl warm up. I'll see you guys when we're heading out in the snow.
She's stuck.
Dudes, fucking roads are dick. Muddy ass, well, bald ass mud tires and snow. You know, they aren't very good together. In the first clip you saw, I spawned in shit. That was a two-wheel drive. Got out before, but needless to say, you guys can see the roads are fucking shit. So we'll see how the cum dog does.
How's it going, everybody? It's your boy S10 Mike, and we're in the cum diggly dog, baby. And today we're going to shovel some snow. So just remember, vaping is the fuck! Smoking is the past, vaping is the future, and the future is now. Woo!
What's up, dudes? Cummins Kyle here. Squeaky Neeks. We're fucking tired. What's up, dude? Still snowing. It's like 4 o'clock. Another read. Alright guys, so the storm's over obviously. Sorry I didn't get a lot of clips for you guys, just a couple little clips. I'm going to paint the coil springs and I'm gonna shave the fenders a little bit because the tires are rubbing as soon as the weather warms up a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out my other videos. Peace out. Have a good day.